These 3 game-changing techniques are going to turn your digital photos into film-like masterpieces. And if you stick around to the end, I have a special gift for you which will help you emulate some of your favorite film stocks. First thing you're going to need is a diffusion filter. This is one of the most important things while emulating film. It softens up your image and creates a bloom around your highlights, which is just a staple of film photography. I have the Cinebloom 20%, however, you can also create your own diffusion filter using an old UV filter and some hairspray. But the Cinebloom filter has been one of my favorite purchases last year. Plus, it's a little more permanent than hairspray. Second is the lens. You don't need a high quality lens. In fact, that's going to produce an even sharper image. So really, any lens will do, even the kit lens. And now for your set. Hold on, you can't copy film. I know, I was just showing them how to emulate the feel of film since film prices are outrageous. Dude, I do not spend that much on film. How many rolls did you shoot last month? Probably 10? Let's say the average roll costs about $15 and the average development and scan costs $15. That means you're spending well over $250 last month just on film.
That's the stupidest thing I've ever heard. I'm sorry. All the money goes out.
Bro, you good? Whatever, man. I got a film pop-up sale I gotta get to. For your camera settings, this is going to be totally dependent on where and what you're shooting. I also set my shooting mode to single shot and then viewfinder only. This helps me to get into the mindset as if I was shooting on film. Now we just need to go take some photos. Now editing, each photo is different, but this is the base formula that I use when emulating film. Let's jump on the computer. Here are the corrections I made to this image, so copy my sliders. Now go to your detail and set the sharpening at 5, as SLRs produce a very sharp image. Next, go to the effects and set your vignette to -10. Next, everyone's favorite effect, grain. Just crank that thing to 100. All right, I'm just kidding. We'll actually bring the grain slider to 60, then 25 for the size and 50 for the roughness. The biggest mistake when emulating film is people will just crank the grain and call it good. You can see some film photos, you can hardly see the grain. Now, this is my base formula, but we aren't done yet. We still need a color grade. So next, dude, you should have been there. You absolutely missed out. Dude, where do you even get the money for this? Doesn't even matter. Digital sucks. I never said digital was better than free film forever. I really don't think you should call that number. Plus, it says you have to sacrifice your soul. What's in the box? Portra 800. All right, let's get back to color grading. Now, there are a million different ways to color, so if you want even more help with coloring, watch to the end of the video. Go to calibration, -10, +5 for your reds, +10, -5 for your greens, +5, -5 for your blues. Next, go to your tone curve. This curve will give you the soft faded look some film can produce. Then copy these curves for your red, green, and blues. Next, color grading. For your shadows, set the hue to 114 and saturation at 10. For your midtones, set the hue at 31 and the saturation at 13. And for your highlights, set the hue at 275 and your saturation at 10. Then copy my color for greens and blues. Now that you know the base formula in emulating film, I want to give you guys a special gift, and that is my film emulation preset pack. This will help turn any of your photos into stunning film-like photos. And for the first 5 people to like, comment, and subscribe on this video, they'll get the pack completely free. And if you miss out on that, don't worry, I have a discount code which makes the cost of the pack 2 Starbucks free. Hold on, I'm getting a call. Yo, how's the Portra 800?
Dude, you gotta come get me. I was like shooting, now I'm floating around a voidless dimension.
You did sell your soul for the Portra 800, so...